Hello children, now today we are starting the exercise of chapter 5. Before start the exercise, you have to at first paste a picture related to your chapter, and after picture you have to write down the difficult word meaning. Now let's start the exercise. Choose the correct alternative from the following. The Constitution confers upon the people of India 6 fundamental rights. Which of the following is not correct? Untouchability has recognized on caste basis. To employ children below 14 years of age is match industry is the encroachment of which right? Right against exploitation. Which among the following is our fundamental duty? To protect and improve natural environment, including lakes, forests, rivers and wildlife. Fill in the blanks with the words given in brackets. Not to give equal wages for equal work is exploitation. To print newspaper is the right to thoughts expression. This is not a two words. This is one word. Thoughts expression. This is one word. Thoughts expression. So you have to fill this word in the second fill. Fill in the blanks. To respect our national flag is our duty. We should protect public property. It is our duty not to encroach upon others' rights. Okay. Now next, short answer types questions. So first is, which fundamental rights do we enjoy or do we have? So this answer is in page number 29. Our fundamental rights. Right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational right, right to constitutional remedies. Next question is, write 4 sentences on right to equality. This answer is in page number 29. This is page number 29 and here is the answer, right to equality. You have to start from here, right to equality, and start. First point, all the citizens without any discrimination are equal before law. This is the first sentence. Second is, equal opportunity in all fields of public life is guaranteed by the Constitution. This is second point. Now third, the government does not discriminate anybody on the basis of caste, religion, sex, language or state. Now fourth one is, you have to write from here, the practice of untouchability is not a punishable offense. Is now a punishable offense. Sorry. So this is your answer number 2. Now next is, right against exploitation protects us from exploitation. How? शोषण के विरुद्ध जो अधिकार है वो हमारी कैसे रक्षा करता है ये बताना है. This answer is in page number 30. You have to start from here. Right against exploitation. Write down the heading. The right against exploitation protects the citizens against exploitation without any discrimination. According to this right, nobody can be forcefully made to do work, or if a person wants to leave a work and do some other work, he cannot be stopped. Apart from this, he cannot be made to work under unjust circumstances and under payment. Now, bonded labor of any form is illegal, and the Constitution also states that children under the age of 14 years should not be employed. This is the answer. Now next, fourth question, write 3 main constitutional provisions for women. This answer is in page number 31. You have to start from here. The Indian Constitution provides some guarantees to the women. These provisions are first, second, third. You can write fourth also. Now next one, write 3 fundamental duties. This answer is in also page number 21. Here is the answer, fundamental duties. Our duties are first, second, third. So you have to write these 3 points. Now long answer type questions. Write notes on any 2 fundamental rights. This answer is in page number 30. You have to write these 2 rights. Right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights. Okay. All these paragraphs you have to write from here to here. Now next question is long answer question number 2. Describe any two freedom enjoyed by the citizens under right to freedom. This answer is in page number 29 and 30. You can see here right to freedom. First, right to freedom guarantees 6 basic freedoms. You have to write down this also. And freedom to express thoughts, you have to write from here to here. Propagate it. Now next you have to start from here. Freedom to move freely. All citizens से लेकर ये पूरा यहाँ तक. Special permission. Now third, freedom to live and settle. ये भी पूरा. Fourth, ये भी पूरा. And fifth, freedom to live. ये यहाँ से लिखना है. According to the Constitution, a person cannot be taken anywhere forcefully or against his wishes. So this is long answer number 2. Now next question is, write any 10 fundamental duties. This answer is in page number 31 and 32. Fundamental duties. You have to write down these duties. We have to discharge some duties. यहाँ से लेकर के पूरा ये और ये. Here are 11 duties mentioned. You can write any 10. Okay. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you can write any 11 duties. So this is, here is your exercise of chapter 5 is finished. Now next day we will start chapter number 6.